Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the deep research feature for your requests and prompts on Microsoft Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Alright, so let me open up Microsoft Copilot here via Edge. And you may start, for example, a new chat by clicking into it in the top left corner. Make sure that you're logged in with your account so that your chats and conversations may be saved in your chat history or library here. And after that, simply enter your request message or question here. But before you press enter to send the request, click into that drop-down menu below, and you may use one of these options. For example, you can use a so-called smart search feature. For example, if it's based on tasks and if you'd like to use this language model here, GPT 5.1, or there's a deeper research model. You can use this, for example, for complex topics like, I don't know, academic text, for instance, analysis, and study papers, research papers, and so on and so forth. And after that, press enter to send the request. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.